When I started my self-improvement, it was really these simple habits that got me from the point of poor mental health to where I am today, which is probably peak of my life right now, and it's only going upward. So these simple habits are honestly kind of easy to do, but the problem with them is that they are also easy not to do. So when you're laying in bed, your brain would rather choose to just stay there laying than to get up and do something that's slightly more difficult, like meditation, for example. So as they are pretty simple and easy, there is a difficult side to them, but when you do manage to implement these habits into your life, you are gonna see major differences. You're gonna see an amazing increase in your mental health, happiness, attractiveness, everything. So in the last video I told you about the 3 most basic simple habits that you can do to change your life immediately. If you want to watch that video before or after this one, the link is gonna be in the description and the card is gonna be up there somewhere, so I recommend watching both of these. Today I'm gonna give you 3 more amazing healthy habits that will change everything for you. So let's go straight into it. The first habit today is gonna be diet. So if you're like me some time ago, I would just eat everything. I would eat sugar, I would eat fast food, anything I got my hands on. I didn't care, I didn't count calories, I didn't nothing. Then I had this thought of imagine how cool it would be if I actually got my diets together and fix it and only ate healthy foods. If I'm gonna be honest, I was thinking about it a little bit for flexing. I wanted to be that guy who's disciplined and eats only healthy foods, so other people would perceive me as that, and then I would also get a good body. And you know, I went from kind of fantasizing about it to at one point just deciding, all right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fix my diet now. I'm actually gonna do it. I was kind of young at that point, so it was kind of unbelievable. I was kind of impressed by myself that I actually did it, and I did. It lasted for some time. Eventually I ruined it back again, and then I had ups and downs, but that was way before my self-improvement. Fixing your diet is gonna make you feel better, act better, look better. It's very important for every part of your health, but not just health, also enjoyment in your life. You will look better, you will be more attractive if you have good diet, you will perform better if you have sports or something. Diet is extremely important for everything. What do you actually need to change in your diet and how to actually do it well? Firstly, you need to obviously cut off unhealthy foods. That's sugars, that's fast food. You know, some people say that all calories are the same. It doesn't matter what you eat, it's how much you eat. That's not true. You need to cut out sugar, you need to cut out these fast foods. You know what foods are unhealthy, cut them out. Secondly, cut out drinks, all sugary drinks. Like that's a trick that you can use to make yourself a bit more healthy immediately. Just, you know, drink water. It's not that difficult to cut out soda and sugary drinks. They don't play a big role in your life, be honest. So you can cut them out and it's not gonna be that difficult. So that's in my opinion, that was the first step I did when fixing my diet. And try to eat more vegetables, meats, complex carbs. So that's like rice, nuts. You know what the healthy foods are. Just try to eat more healthy. Second habit that I'm gonna tell you about today is going outside. So don't stay in your room the whole day. Don't be inside of 4 walls just sitting on your phone scrolling all day. You need to go out and get some sun, which will get you some vitamin D. Getting sunlight is just like diet, gonna have multiple healthy effects on you, like looking better, feeling better, acting better. Besides the health benefits of going outside and getting sunlight, you're gonna have other benefits that are enjoyment in life. You're gonna feel better because you're not inside of your room alone all day. You also have a benefit of potentially meeting people outside and practicing your social skills, which is gonna help you a lot and gonna make you enjoy life a lot more. It's nice when you are able to speak to people. And the final habit is gonna be sleep. I talked a lot about sleep in the past few videos, and it's something that I'm working on, and it's something that I'm trying to fix right now because I have recently fallen off in the last month or so due to some problems that I had, but I'm currently fixing it. And tonight I actually had a great sleep. I was in bed for 10 hours and I feel amazing right now. Fixing your sleep is just like the first 2 habits, it's gonna have multiple health effects on you. Not only that, but sleep is actually, in my opinion, the most important habit that you can implement. It's not gonna fix most of your problems, it's gonna fix all of your problems. It's gonna make other habits easier because you're gonna be rested and ready to do them. Forget everything else and focus mostly on fixing your sleep first. Everything else is gonna be easier after that. So those were 3 more habits that you can implement that will change your life. I hope you liked the video. If you wanna see more, you can go down, subscribe. So if you wanna watch more of these self-improvement videos and help a small channel grow, then I would recommend subscribing. That's it. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.